All right, folks, welcome back. This is our Monday daily log entry for February 15th, 2021. All right, Eurodollar, 5-minute chart. Okay, so we have a 15-minute fair value gap here. So don't be thrown off by not having a level anchored here or from here to here. This is the 15-minute time frame, so I'm counseling you to look at your 15-minute time frame. You'll see this very clearly. You also have a mitigation block in here, and the mitigation block is traded to multiple times, and it's completely closed in and overshot just by a little bit, but not much. And I'm framing it on this particular candle right there. Okay, it's the most beefy candle in the swing before it goes lower. Now you're probably asking yourself, well, why not this one? And why not this one? Because this one has the largest body, so I'm attributing the most volume on this particular candle. Okay. New York time, midnight, line up in kill zone. We running out buy side liquidity in here that's not annotated. You can add that in your own chart. Comes back down in, failure swing at a rejection block, creates a fair value gap after breaking short-term market structure. So there's a shift in market structure after it hits the fair value gap. Optimal trade entry between the kill zones. Notice that New York is over here. Sells off, bounces back up into the mitigation block, which is the lowermost candle here prior to this run up. Hits it here, breaks, clears the sell side liquidity here, and then trades into the mitigation block. London close time period pulls back into the range being the low formed and high. Trade back up into a bearish order block there, and then consolidates into the close of the day. Small little fair value gap in here for a London close trade. So this is something you could have played around with for scalping purposes on like a 1-minute chart. As a reminder, today is a bank holiday, so that's the reason why the markets are real quiet. Very small little price action moves. British pound versus US dollar, 5-minute chart. All right, so we have an old low in here, and Judas swing on the downside after midnight New York. London open kill zone, price rallies up, runs buy side liquidity, engineers buy side liquidity here. And I counseled you to watch this level here, 139.18 and 4 pipettes. Okay, that was the bearish order block I said we would probably draw up into for cable. Cable is British pound versus US dollar. It's a nickname for that. And we had a retracement down into the buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency here. Between this candle's low, this candle's high. Consequent encroachment hits it there in London open kill zone. Optimal trade entry. Rallies back up, rejection block. Trades through it, but not above the high. Engineers buy side liquidity all above these highs here. We have a fair value gap in here. It trades down into that in New York open. So we have a optimal trade entry from here to here, and the fib overlay is here. I'll let you do that on your own chart. And we have a bullish order block there. So in case you didn't buy it here, you could have bought this return into it there. Then we have a smaller little retracement back into an order block. Rallies away, creates a fair value gap. This candle's high, this candle's low, and a bullish order block here. So we have trading back down into the fair value gap, order block, optimal trade entry, attacking buy side liquidity, and the bearish order block on the daily chart, 139.18 and 4 pipettes. Price runs up and hits that, goes just a little bit above it. I posted this on the community tab on my YouTube channel that even though it's been a slow day, we did see the draw on liquidity I outlined on British pound versus US dollar, and it's happening like right there. Trades off, comes back into the old highs, and then consolidates into the close of the day. Now, this level right here, I'll show you what that is on the daily chart. It is the April 24th, 2018 bearish order block. It's this up close candle. So you can find that on your daily chart for British pound versus US dollar, or cable as we call it. And that's where we traded into today. All right, so it has traded all the way through this imbalance. What is this? A SIBI, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. If it goes beyond that, what's the next PD array? It's this bearish order block. And then above that would be these relative equal highs. And then we have a fair value gap over here to contend with should it continue higher. All right, I'm going to take you over to TradingView real quick and show you a couple things that I had multiple members asking from month 1 membership. So let's go over to the TradingView platform now. All right, folks, this is a real quick demonstration on how to find things in the forum. This is an account I created just so I can talk about this, and it'll be deleted when I'm done. So in case you're wondering, oh, you're still letting in new people. No, it's just a screen name I created so I can do this and show you what the month 1 members would be seeing on their forum welcome. So when you put in your username and password, this is what you see. And let's assume for a moment you want to see the video that I announced I would have for Sunday. That would be here. Okay, so it's the weekend review. My staff uploaded it sooner than Sunday, so this is technically the video you would have seen on Sunday. As you can see, there's 2 posts for Friday. This is the daily log entry, and this should have been posted on Sunday, but they were overzealous, I guess, and, and uploaded it early. So nonetheless, there it is. Let's assume for a moment that you were looking for something in the forum. You heard me talk about something in regards to sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, or BISI, or fair value gap, or for instance the TGIF trade. Okay, you're going to go up to this tab here, click search, and in this field right here you're going to type in the keyword that you're looking for, and we'll just use SIBI for now. Okay, and what you'll do is when you click on this, it'll give you the area where it's being mentioned, and you scroll from the top down and you look for bold letters on the search that you're looking for. Okay, lesson on BISI, SIBI, so you can find the discussion there. And let's say you want to find the TGIF trade. Okay, you put that in there, search, and it pulls up August 2019 commentary. And you scrub up to see TGIF. Okay, so it'll give you locations in the commentaries where I discussed a specific topic, and that way you can navigate a little bit better. The other question I got was, how can I find the same dollar index on TradingView? Okay, so when you're loading a chart on TradingView, in this area, type in DXY, and it's this one here, okay? TVC. If you look at that, that's the one I'm using every time I do my commentaries. Okay? And real quick, if you're pulling up Eurodollar while I'm here, I might as well do it here as well. Eurodollar, see I'll have it here. I'm not hitting enter as soon as I do that. Go down to forex.com, Eurodollar. Click on that, and there it is. Okay, same thing for pound dollar. Don't hit enter. Go down, look for the forex.com feed, click on that one, and there you go. Okay, and that is it. Real quick, I'm playing around with an idea that 2 of my students shared with me in regards to annotations and grouping them. So I don't exactly know how to do it yet. I just read the email, but I may have something else to include, and I'll credit those individuals that were very helpful in that regard in our membership. But if my understanding is correct, it's better than what I showed you. So we'll see what that looks like tomorrow. I'll have time to play around and see what I can do with the TradingView application. Like I said, I'm a noob when it comes to this platform. All right, hopefully you found that insightful. Until next time, wish you good luck and good trading.